Kartel being the man that gave me like the push I like, because when DROPTOP posted a video of me before he even met me, I just got a video of me, and like he must say him can't bother post how much clocks for him store page all the time, so I post a video. I say, yo, who for daughter this shit bad? And Kartel commented and I say, my daughter, send her to me. And like Instagram literally blew up.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week we're joined by Candy Price.
Yeah man, mad love for the year, you know.
So things, Candy?
Why things alright, still no joke about that, you know.
Yeah.
Like, still I get to interview them and stuff, still I release all of the big bad songs them, you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
The music will go on.
Right, true. Despite the pandemic, yeah.
Yeah man. So tell me though, as you mentioned the pandemic, how has that affected you in terms of music and personal?
It has affected a great deal so far, but at the end of the day, being the person that I am, you know, we just have a fight.
You're a fighter,
right.
A warrior.
Right. Yeah, we will beat everything, anything, no COVID, none of them diseases, none of them. Yeah. We just conquer all of them stuff.
Yeah man.
No joke.
Alright. So Candy, for some of our viewers who may not know you, tell us a little about who Candy Price.
Well, Candy Price is basically just a humble female artist, you know, we just come to tell the truth, come to get the people in with them want. Me say me are more for the ghetto people them, for the real type of people them, the roots people them, I stand up for them with them want, you see me I say, and for them rights as well. Candy is just a fun, humble, nice person. People always see me and say, they never expect Candy like this, that they never expect me to be like this, so humble and nice and easy going and easy to talk to.
Yeah.
So basically that, very humble, very nice to talk to, so you can slide in my DM and me answer you back. Yeah.
See, you're not going to ignore you.
No, I'm not going to ignore you. I love to interact with the fans as well too.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Because we get a whole heap of fans come up to you in the street and ask for pictures and so forth.
And that is
that's
important.
like a drive for me. No joke.
Yeah man, the interaction with fans is very important.
Definitely, because I'm big on performing, so I'm big on interacting with the crowd and everybody.
Alright. In terms of your type of music, your style of music, you describe yourself as?
I would mainly say reggae dancehall, look a bit hardcore, you know what I mean, here and there, but more soulful, everlasting thing for me.
More soulful?
Yeah, it's an everlasting thing, yeah, like, so on the music system, like, you can hear it, like, all next 50, 60, 40 years, I still hear Candy
Still
Price.
play your music?
Yeah, as well, Bobby that riches his life.
Yeah, man.
Like this,
as I mentioned Bob though, I mean everybody can quote Bob still now, but you look fairly young.
True.
So tell me some of the artists who has inspired you musically.
Musically I must say Tanya Stevens, from growing up, like big fan of her. I must say Lady Star as well, for the hardcore part of Candy Price. They say it come from Beanie Man, Bunty, Kartel. You get me? I say them kind of artists there. And I'll say overseas now, I would like say like Steph London.
Yeah man.
And that girl, man, what's her name again? That black girl, I think no people say my favorite are Lauryn Hill.
Oh yeah, say.
Yeah, she too. So no Joe, that's the musical inspirations them come from.
Alright. So how did Candy get involved in music though?
Music was like an inborn thing for me though, you know. No joke. I grew up at the music, like I grew up on this. Like every school like I went to, I was like on the stage at all times. Teachers always wanted me to volunteer to be on the stage. I was in the choir at high school. I was like taking part.
Which high school at?
Trenchtown High School. Not my album matter anymore still because it's closed and turned to a community center, but That was the high school that I went to.
Yeah, man.
Big bad school there.
No, Trench
No
Town,
joke,
man.
man. Yeah, history school there. Yeah. All heap of history there at the school there for me too. All of my classmates could have tell you that, yeah, this is Candy Destiny, this is what she was meant to be. I would ever sing as Morning Light.
See it there? Alright, so Candy, recall for me then, the moment, that first time when you actually made the transition into music professionally. Because we know you always a singer and thing.
I must say that was like about 2014. I was like about 19. I went at Magnum and then I saw that I got this huge talent that everybody was like saying, oh, Candy, you can do this. And seeing that I entered Magnum one time and going to Magnum and seeing like people that I see them have come couple of years well and they've never get through yet, and then seeing that I just went to one audition and that was it. Get through. I did a couple live shows. Well, I didn't win the show, but it gave a big impact on my music career, so that I wanted to pursue music more.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. No joke.
For real. So, having left the Magnum stage, what was the next move for Candy? What happened next for your career?
After leaving that, I think next I got hooked up with a couple producers, Our Faces, True Blue, R.I.P. After that, I got the big producing by DROPTOP now, and I signed a contract deal with him and started modeling clogs for his clog store and so forth. And after you find me now.
See it there? Yeah. Yeah, man, Candy. They write us up on next Friday. So Candy, talk to me about well, before we even go into the song that you have out now.
Yeah.
You mentioned some of your artists who inspire you. Bounty Killer, Rodney Price.
Yeah.
Candy Price and Rodney Price related. I see him last name.
No. People always give me that.
Yeah.
So what time we wish we did related?
You ever met the Killer yet?
No, I never met the Killer either. I love to do that still, but yeah, man, people always say, yeah, Bounty daughter too, you're bad and you know what I mean? People usually always say that, but no relation.
Okay.
No relation.
But it's good for a link up and even
yeah, definitely that would have seen the general and the
person.
Price, Candy Price and the Rodney Price. You look them dead.
See it there?
Trouble.
Rodney, link up.
Link up.
Talk to me about the song we have out now.
Yeah, I take a whole big bad song. The song is just like I'm telling you the truth, you know what I mean? Telling everybody how to just take a whole of your life and make sure you do this thing right. And I say it's just fully deep, it's something you can relate to. People want it. All for people send me themselves like crying to the song. So it's very emotional. Yeah, it's a very touching song too. Deep. Yeah.
Get the viewers piece out tight no man.
Yeah,
put you up on the spot. Just give her one line out tight.
Take a hold of your life, make it right, and you have so much to show. Prove yourself, yeah. How many lonely nights, tears I've cried, sleepless nights. I wanna change my life. This world ain't nice, world ain't nice. Choose your choice, you better do or die. Next Fridays.
Yo, she can sing, you know, peeps. She can sing. Because I'm there live and I hear the vocals and I hear the range. Yeah. You have done any formal voice training or that's all natural? That's all,
and I must say this is funny because I went to all art schools except music. Like I went to like doing fashion, was in sewing and stuff because I could sew and make all the clothes right now. Okay. And I can do mural and stuff. So
multi-talented.
Yes, I'm fully an artist in our range, but I just didn't went to a music school.
Right.
But this is the talent I had.
Yeah, man, natural talent, you know? Man. Natural setting.
Natural, yeah.
What's next for Candy though in terms of the music?
Yeah, next I'm dropping my EP soon.
Yeah.
Not sure the name yet, but we're gonna hear that soon. So that's something you're gonna look forward for. Only for deep songs coming out and that different side of Candy Price. Because people always have Candy Price as the rough hardcore female artist. Yeah, so we have shown them, so we have different deeper side. Yeah, we have a deeper other side, more international side to me.
Yeah, man.
In a sense. Yeah, so you can look out for that.
See. And remind our viewers right now, Candy, of your socials, where they can find you, where they can follow.
So it's Candy Price, it's official _ Candy Price on the Instagram, and it's Candy Price Vivo channel on YouTube.
Alright. So
Candy
people,
Price on Twitter and Candy Price on Facebook.
Alright, so people are gonna lock it. Follow Candy.
Yeah.
Cause the big bad EP soon drop.
Only for somebody there.
So what about videos and stuff though? You're working on
I
it?
have a lot of videos out now. I've about 9 videos, singles out now with videos and so forth. I have a single out with me and Lisa Hype as well, Hyper.
Yeah.
As well too. Couple big name artists. Collabs coming out soon. Not wanting to bust
She
any
can't
bubble.
bust the secret yet.
When
so, follow
but just
sure.
go follow and subscribe to Candy Price, and who knows see when I go and link up, you know.
Yeah, man. So how the Lisa Hyper link did come about? How that collab?
It's a Gaza family thing, because I'm a member of the Gaza family. Yeah, so it's a Gaza family thing. The Lisa just link up and say, Candy, you know, as a big sister, I want to do something with you. You know?
Yeah.
And that was that.
So, I'm curious though, how you become a Gaza member?
I always say how you become a Gaza member. It's just like, basically, I was a Gaza member from ever since. Like, from going to school, that was like my side to pick.
You say Gaza?
Gaza.
Not Gully?
Yeah, no. From ever since, that was like the side for me. And then Kartel being the man that gave me like the push I like, because when DROPTOP posted a video of me before he even met me, I just got a video of me, and like he say him can't but I post how much clocks on him store page all the time, so I post a video, I say, yo, who for daughter this shit bad, and Kartel commented and I say, my daughter, send her to me. And like Instagram literally blew up. You get me? I say, and that was that, you know what I mean? And the linkage with the boss make, and it was history.
So you actually met Kartel in person?
Yeah, actually.
Tell what was that like? Because enough people don't really meet the teacher up close, and
that was like really, really, really nice, you know, a really good feeling to see that he was behind bars and a lot of people wanted to meet him, and I got the opportunity to do that, and it was a good feeling as well to meet the legend in person.
Also, you met him since he has been incarcerated?
Yes, it was like a visit, like a family visit, and a family day that he could come out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what was his
And if people want to see that picture, them can go on my Instagram, Candy Price.
The picture there, the evidence is there. but you are here with us now, so we want you to relive that moment there for you.
Yeah, that moment was like first thing.
You didn't nervous?
No, I wouldn't say that. I'm not nervous in any point.
Yeah.
No, not the type to be nervous.
Okay.
No. But at the end of the day, I was really elated to be there. Yeah, to meet the man himself.
Yeah, because sometimes when you're going to meet your idol, you know, or somebody who is your musical inspiration, sometimes little nerves there. But
never have no nerve. Maybe two would have DROPTOP beside of me and so forth.
It's fully confident.
Fully confident and something, you know. And Kartel was like one of the best inspirations since coming up in the music right now. Up to now you can see them still relevant. You get me? I say being an artist that's here for almost generations now. You get me? Yeah, so.
What was his reaction when he first saw you?
It was like, first thing him saying was like, Candy rich. First thing that come up.
Was it real rich?
Real rich. Was like, you're rich, man. And then he was like, yeah, man. He's like, I like your song. You have a nice song. Just keep that up. And words of confident motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah, no joke.
Well, look here, man. May I look out for see that collab there soon. You know? I need to see a collab between Teacher and Candy. Yeah. See? Teacher big up yourself, said speed, same way.
Like this, so.
Yeah, man. So, let's talk about where Candy wants to take her musical career, though. What's the goal? What's the goal for you?
All the way for me, all the way. Billboards, Grammys, all the way.
Billboards and Grammys.
All the way.
Yeah, man, and the work I put in.
All the way for me. Yeah,
man.
No limit.
No limit.
No limit.
Yeah, I know. Well, tell your fans, you know, just look on them now and just tell them some word of encouragement, what them can.
Must say though, just believe in yourself, you know what I mean, and speak good things into being, and it shall be, you know. some good words of encouragement. My sister always tell me happy birthday to my sister. Today is her birthday. Yeah, the 16th of September. Happy birthday, Sandy. Big up yourself. Big motivator in my life. So proud of her. Yeah. No.
That's your big sister?
Yeah, my big sister. She's a teacher.
Okay, so me I will tell Sandy too. Say big up Sandy.
Yeah.
Because guess what? You're Virgo. Yesterday was my Earth Strong, the 15th of September. So Sandy, you're good peeps.
Right, this. Yeah, Sandy is a very nice girl.
Yeah, man. Alright, so Candy, we spoke a little about some of the male entertainers, but as a female artist, you know, what are some of the challenges you think female entertainers face?
You know,
in the business.
I will answer this question again. So I go answer it. In a male-dominated industry, you know, say you have to put out your all like. You see me? I say, is either you have to go try your best, say, attack it like how them attack it, or attack it in a different form of people. Like how people like different now, you know, in a real life. You know? Yeah. But in the game when it comes to being a female, it's really harder than being a man and wanting to be an artist. Yeah, because people like shun you easily. You get me? I say, not knowing the type of energy or what you have to bring. Just because you're a female, they might shun you.
Them feel say you don't have the same
have it. But at the end of the day, them put a two man in front of you where they will move piece of the crowd. You get me I say? And if they will put up on them stage or look earlier, them they have the crowd that come in like instantly. Yeah. But not knowing that's a big issue too with this dancehall thing, you know. Them forgive more females more chances.
Yeah, man.
Simple as that. You know, just give them some more chance. Them have things that bad female out there, you know. No joke. I'm here some not gonna discriminate the artists, but me hear some man a sing and them say them are artists and you get me I say?
Them not ready yet?
Nah.
Alright.
Yeah, you have some female out there with them fully ready, confident and ready for all the stage and everything and them just not get the opportunity.
Yeah, man.
So I must say more lack of opportunity there for female.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And like we're on the topic of females, I put it on the spot. Who you that say, I not even want you give me your favorite female artist. Who you that say the top 3 female right now? Who are on the place now?
In a Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Jamaican female artist.
I must say Spice I do her thing right now.
So Spice
number would be number one.
All right.
Because she dip on an international scale.
Spice is the number one.
Yeah, so Spice would have be number one for me. And Coffee get an international stage as well, Shensia.
Yeah.
Yeah, them.
So them 3 they are your top 3.
Them.
Alright. Candy. So in the man.
You know.
Candy are forward.
We are forward.
Yeah.
Right there, sir.
Alright, so peeps, there you have it. Another exciting episode of Next Friday. Now be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell, do the thing. Because we know so know for do. And you don't want to miss a beat. Remember, next Friday, every Friday. We out. Yeah, man.
Was bless up and keeping yourself safe. You get me? I say wear up on the mask them. You see me? And keeping yourself safe.
Alright, you heard it. From Candy Price.
Candy Price, and we're there next Fridays. Them dead. You can't say them dead.
I drop off or I step
off, man. You
Okay.
can't do that, drop off.
Alright, come back and sit down and close the show.
I think it finish.
Say a pop style for me.
Yeah, the style did a pop it true.
Alright, we'll fix that. We'll close on the show and then we can pop by the style. Alright, so peeps, there you have it.